I haven't painted in like 3 years. Hey guys, so for today's video I thought I would do a little paint with me. I actually haven't painted a face like this since GCSE art, so I'm kind of scared I've like forgotten how to actually paint. I don't know, but I've just been feeling like more inspired to get back into painting. I've been bored. I did used to enjoy it when I used to do it for GCSE. It did stress me out a lot, but it's always been something that I would find when actually painting is like very therapeutic. But I am kind of scared because I used to be good. This is the kind of style of like painting that I was most comfortable with. I really liked trying to make like the face like as realistic as possible, which I'm not sure if I can still do that, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm really worried that I've literally forgotten. We'll just have a little chat while we're painting, so it's gonna be fun, guys. Grab a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, a cup of matcha. So I've done my sketch of Hannah. I'll show you the photo, I'll put the photo here. So that's what I'm painting. I can't believe I'm literally painting after 3 freaking years. I'm so weird. Like, people would think I'm so weird because I can paint faces, well, don't know if I still can, but I could paint faces like really well. But if you ask me to paint, I don't know, like an apple, like I couldn't do it. I genuinely can't really paint anything else except for faces, and I don't know why that is. That's literally all I wanted to paint in GCSE art. But the thing is with GCSE art is like, if you've done it, you'll know, like you have to explore different mediums and like different objects to paint and like look at different artists and stuff. And I was just so like, I was not having it. I was just like, please just let me paint my faces in this style. And I don't know, I was really bad at like exploring other styles and other mediums because I was always just so like worried that it was just not going to be good, which is not a good attitude. I need to get better at like exploring different types of art and not being worried of like the result, which is what I'm trying to do now, because honestly guys, I'm not even sure this is going to turn out good, but it's fine. We're not doing it for the end result, we're doing it for the journey. But yeah, so that's kind of my art background, I guess. But I do miss it. Like, I do miss the therapy aspect of it. How have you guys been doing in quarantine? What have you been doing? I've literally just been playing my Nintendo Switch, playing Animal Crossing. I don't know how many hours I've played, but I probably won't check because I don't want to do that to myself. My island is so bad, literally, like it's so bad. I'm embarrassed in my own island. Oh, I just mixed way too much red. That is actually tragic. Okay, never mind. Can't even bloody mix paint. I just bought Mario Kart as well, so I've been loving that. I've been doing a lot of journaling, of course. Journaling is the only thing keeping me sane. I've been manifesting a lot. I've been thinking about the law of attraction a lot more recently, and it's really been helping me actually think about like my future and stuff, and like what I want and stuff like that. I think that's been helping me a lot, just not lose sight of what I want in life, because you know, in quarantine it's very easy to get stuck in that mindset of like the world is ending and what's even the point. Like consciously manifesting, writing the things I want down, and I find it really fun. And also thinking about like short-term goals and like long-term goals, like things that I want to manifest like this month and then like this year. I don't know, I'd love to do like a full video on like journaling and like manifestation, but I don't know, let me know if you would want to see that. Yeah, it's just been something that I have been like really enjoying doing. I've always just loved being creative, and like I feel like quarantine, at first I was like, oh my god, I have so much time, like I need to be creating every single second. But then I slowly realized that that was not sustainable and I was gonna get creative burnout, which I did. I did get creative burnout, and it was literally the worst thing. I hate having creative burnout because I literally feel like I've lost all purpose in life, because being creative is kind of the only thing that like I can do. So when I like lose sight of that, or like don't have any ideas, I kind of go a bit crazy because I'm like, why am I even here? Like, what's my purpose? Yeah, I really don't like when that happens, but that's why you gotta take breaks, kids. I've been thinking a lot about after lockdown and like where I want to travel. I'm just itching to travel. Like, I want to travel so much. I was meant to be going to Paris twice this year. As soon as I can get to Paris, I'm there so fast. And I've been like writing down places I really want to go. I would love to go to Montreal. Like that is top of my list at the moment. Like I want to go to Montreal so bad. Like they speak French there, which is obviously like great for me because I love French and I like love learning it and stuff. But the thing is, like the way they speak is like different. Like it's French, but their accent is so different. I've listened to like people from Quebec like speak, and I like can't understand half of it, and it's like, oh my god, I literally have been studying French like my whole life, why can't I understand it? So I'd love to go and like, I don't know, live there for a bit maybe and just kind of understand the accent better. I want to go back to Ireland. I literally go Ireland every year. I have family over there. I really miss it. I miss it so much. It's just like the best place ever. If you haven't been to Ireland, go to Ireland because it's so beautiful. Hey, that's a lot of paint. I think I've forgotten how to I've forgotten how to do this. Okay, it's fine. It's literally fine. I don't know if I should try and make it too realistic because then I feel like I will just hate myself because I won't be able to do it. Do you know what, it's fine. We're gonna decide that later. That's probably a bad idea, but it's fine. So I have done like the main bit of the face. It's a lot harder than I remember. Yeah, it's kind of harder than I remember it being, but I feel like it's gone better than I thought. Like I haven't forgotten it as much as I thought, but I've still got a lot to do. Like there's a long way to go. I am really glad that I did this. I was scared to do it, I'm not gonna lie. I was pretty scared. I was like, it's gonna be so bad, but no, I've actually been enjoying like the actual process, and I can kind of notice a difference in that, like knowing it's not gonna be graded. I was talking to Moya Moini about this actually. I spoke with her for the last episode of How Are You, and because she did art GCSE as well, she was saying the same thing. Like when you do art GCSE, it's just like it literally takes over your life. There's so much, like it's so time consuming, there's so much that you have to do. I mean, Moya, that girl is talented as hell. If you haven't seen her painting videos, go watch them because, I mean, wow. She's so good. Yeah, but I feel like it's going okay. I don't even know. Welcome to day 2 of painting. If you're still here, thanks for sticking around. I feel like I got a fair bit done yesterday, but the hair definitely needs a lot of work. I think I'm gonna start today just by filling in the background so it's looking a bit more full and finished, and then I'm gonna fix the hair, fill in her clothes, and then do some finishing touches. So far I think it's gone okay. I'm making a very conscious effort not to compare it to previous work that I've done because obviously I'm very out of practice, so it would be unfair on myself to do that. Honestly, it's been like very like therapeutic for me. I can very easily like lose myself in painting. It's not boring for me. me. Like I can just lose myself in it and just not really have to think about stuff. I'm gonna start on the background now. I decided to go with a pale blue background just because I think it will make the eyes pop. Oh my god, so it was my birthday recently. I had my 19th birthday. A couple of my friends like surprised me in my garden. Like they just came through the back way into the garden and surprised me while I was sitting out there, and they brought me like a cake and they started saying like happy birthday to me, and it was literally the nicest thing ever. I went to go blow out the candles, but I literally was like choking up crying, and I was like, I can't blow out the candles. But oh my god, it was literally the nicest thing ever. Despite being in quarantine and everything, it was still a very nice day. One of my friends, so she made me this little book, and it's like a little book of like my 2020 horoscopes and like all the readings for this year. So I'm a Cancer and I literally love astrology, and my friends clearly know me very well, so she made that for me, and it's literally the cutest thing ever. All my friends got me such nice things, like literally I didn't even care about that. I just cared that they actually like were in my presence. 2 meters away but still in my presence. Guys, my sister has been begging me to paint her for literally the longest time, and I've always been like, oh yeah, I'll do it. And like this is literally the first proper painting I've done of her. Hannah, you're welcome. Hopefully she likes it. I feel like there's pressure because she's been wanting this. Well, she's been wanting me to do this for so long, so I feel like it has to be good. I find hair like really hard to paint. I don't know why, but it's just like really hard to make it look realistic. So I think I'm finished. Like I just feel like I shouldn't touch anymore because I just feel like it's gonna stress me out, and I'm just gonna end up covering bits that I actually like, and just it's just gonna go bad. So I think I'm gonna leave it there. I've spent many hours on this, even though this video is going to be cut down into a short video. I've spent a long time on it, and I think I'm actually happy with it now, and my sister's just seen it and she really likes it, so that's all that matters to me. Overall, this experience has been very therapeutic, and I feel very happy with myself for like just doing it and just like not being scared anymore of like just of the result. I think I've definitely learnt from this to just like enjoy the actual journey of painting. Honestly, the last 2 days have gone so quickly because I've just been painting, which is good because we need things to do to fill our days at the moment. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe. I post every Wednesday, but I'm also trying to post on Sundays at the moment as well, just because I have more time. So if you would like to see more, then definitely subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!